The university's astronomy department holds a viewing of the night sky at Dibert Planetarium for students, staff, and the township every semester. The physics department wants to keep tradition going with its new director.
Basically taking over for Jack Roddick. He was here for 45 years. He had a set of shows, and I've tried to adhere to Jack's model, and just out of respect for Jack.
Alan Armstrong is the professor in charge of the shows that feature motions and patterns of the autumn sky.
The children's show, I was thinking we would probably do lots of little constellations, and then maybe a little bit of the mythology associated with the constellations, and maybe put a little bit of the star motions, the flashy lightning.
For SUTV, I'm Erin Reese.
Sorry. Oh, that thing. Back down.
Yeah, here, and look here at the side.
This telescope has a mirror. A lens focuses light. This mirror will focus light. Light is a wave, and to focus light, to make a mirror that focuses light, we grind it on a spherical profile. That's the simplest kind of mirror you can make, and that a spherically ground mirror will focus light to a point. And that's one of the main elements of a telescope. This is a very commercially available telescope. It's a 12-inch. It uses some special optics, feet. This is 12-inch and is only 4 feet. Well, no, 24 inches. So it's small because the actual optical path, light makes 2 passes through the telescope.
how that in Shippensburg it was 41 and 40, in between the 41 and 49
Degrees.
Actually, I've been teaching astronomy. I've been using the projector and using the planetarium for my astronomy courses for probably around 8 years, 9 years, or something like that. But
Okay.
Jack just recently retired, so I took over from Jack, and I gave 2 shows during Parents' Day, and now this is the first scheduled show. I was going to give 1 show a month, one in November, December. I think we're skipping January, and then there's a February.
So it's an all
March show.
semester thing.
It's
Like every
an all
semester.
year, we're a season, yeah, 2015, 2016 academic year presentations. So they're on the website. It's hard to find, and that's one of the drawbacks, I think, about the planetarium, is that there's no real way to find the blurb that advertises the shows. But if you go to the just SHIP website and do a planetarium, you should get to the Dibert Roddick planetarium page, and then our schedule is up there.
Okay.
The next show is in November, and I can't remember the date precisely, but it's the
I was
children.
gonna say, will that be up online then?
It's
and
up
stuff? Okay.
now, yeah. In fact, we should have some brochures published from publications.
Yeah, I
They-
saw it up there too.
And I believe Jack used to do that. The gods put Scorpio against the horizon opposite the killer Aquila, because they fought. Or
Yes.
there's little, there's a lot of lore associated. In fact, not a lot of lore. Enormous amounts of lore. That was the start of astronomy. Has always been sort of these mythology that's
Okay.
evolved in almost every culture and every civilization. So. I was intending to probably concentrate on not use the star projector so much, but concentrate on a constellation like Orion,
Okay.
and then pick out the stars of Orion and the nebula of Orion or nearby, and then maybe put together a slideshow discussing the nature of these stars, the different types of stars that you can find in Orion,
Okay.
the evolution of stars, and how all stars are different, and how star lifetimes change, or how different stars have different lifetimes, and just try to make it more of an astronomy lecture.